Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Zeeshan Arif Sandhu and I'm from MD Elementary School, grade 7. And for 2020 Abdus Salam Science Fair, I prepared a human body's organs project. The most major organs in our body is our brain. Our brain is basically our inner voice, which is telling us what we want and our personality. So let me give an example, such as you have two options: go to the park and play sports with your friends, or stay home and just play video games all day. Well, obviously going to the park is way more healthy and it's way more active for us. But what I want to do and what is good for me, my brain will tell me. So let's say I want to stay home and play video games. My brain is telling me to do that because it thinks that it's a good idea. Main process of our body called the digestive system. Basically, the digestive system is where our meal and food goes through. So most people think our stomach is just a balloon inside of us, but it's actually not. There's actually a full-on process which it goes through and comes back out, which takes around 3 to 8 hours for one meal. So it's not only the stomach, but it has a liver and all other sorts of stuff which it has to go through, and it takes around 3 to 8 hours for one whole meal and 2 hours for one snack. Another major organ of our body is our heart. Our heart is basically another main organ which we cannot live without. If you zoom in, it's inside of us. So heart is, you see the veins inside of us from head to toe. They're all connected to our heart, which is pumping to give our veins blood to run around our body so we can stay active, healthy, and we can live. So as you see in the picture, there's these holes around the heart. Those are where your veins are connected, and each time the heart pumps, it gives your veins blood to run around, and it should be on a normal speed, not too fast, not too slow. This is again not an organ, but it's a main thing which we cannot move without, which is our bones. Our bones are basically these hard muscles inside of us. They're basically helping our fingers and our hand, everything, like your neck, everything, help move around in any direction. The organ which we can't live without, but it would be hard, it is our eye. So our eye is basically providing us to see the colors, the lights, the shadow, anything. It's basically allowing us to see the world. If we didn't have an eye, the only thing we would see is black. That's cause you don't have an eye, and black is a main color of no color basically. So as you can see, there's a picture of an eye right here. These are all the veins from our heart which are connected. But let's zoom in close to the eye. So as you can see, this black part right here, it's called the pupil. The pupil is allowing us to see the colors in the world. And what's allowing us to see the light and shadow is our lens, which is this bubble part right here. It's called the lens. It's allowing us to see the light and shadow. So when both of them are together, it's allowing us to see. Another major organ which we can't live without is our lungs. Our lungs are basically two bubbles, which are basically when we breathe in, the oxygen is going inside of us, and it's going to stay in the lungs until we breathe it back out. So these two bubbles, see there's a gap in the middle. That's where our heart is. And the lungs, when we breathe in, the oxygen goes into two of the bubbles, and it goes in the heart to pump and give us blood in our veins. But the remaining oxygen, which is in the other bubble, comes back out. At the end, I have some fun facts to share with you guys. So the first one is, did you know 90% of your body is water? Second is that only 8% of your body is blood. Humans can smell over 1 trillion things at once. You have 2 kidneys, but one is necessary to live. If you don't brush your teeth, whatever you drink, it will be cold. It will give you a cold type of sting on your teeth gum. Last is that teeth can tell if you're brushing them aggressively, because whenever you eat, it would be warm. So at the end, I just want to show a photo of what's inside of our body, all the organs. So it started off with the brain, and then this is the throat, this is our lungs and this is the heart in between, like I said, and these are our kidneys, and like this is like the whole stomach process. And yeah, at the end I just want to say jazakallah for listening to my presentation and taking your time out to watch my presentation. I really hope I win this year, but even if I don't, I'm happy I participated, and thank you for listening. Assalamu alaikum.